You can almost hear the ball fizzing down the track. Gold dust in T20 cricket, a good leggy. Or any bowler any spin bowler that you can't pick that has that variation. Batsman having to score every ball. You're not 100% sure. Brilliant from McCullough if you're accurate enough.
It's a great call from Bravo, the captain, too, to bring him on at this point. He had Narayan the over before, where Fletcher was struggling to pick him. Jesse Ryder new to the creep.
Love to get rid of Andre Fletcher. There's a little Google there. He just signaled was going down because it was a Google.
9 ball now from the media end with his leg breaks. Aggressive captaincy too by Bravo.
But deceived him with the length.
Goes across the crease. There's a big shout that's given. Not too much to think about on that occasion. Pitched in line, was going to probably hit straight in line as well, and Shadab Khan gets his first wicket at the CPL.
Big wicket for the Trimbago Knight Riders. Johnson to Andre Fletcher, sorry. Strike rate has been coming down since the spinners have been on. He's gone for 26. It's now 72 for 4.
There's a big shout straight away. Not out. Cannot believe it.
Imploring. Wonder if it was another delivery. The wicket ball was certainly out of the front of the hand of Shadab Khan. His version of a flipper. This one looked like a goog or a top spinner. And absolutely stone dead. No wonder he's so interested. Cornwall's got away with one.
Well, he goes big straight away on the second ball. It's a little bit of a 9-iron out. Inside the inner circle.
More like a shank. Still can't in the hunt for wickets.
Well, in the hunt, not a chance here. Once again, mistimed shot. And it'll be interesting. We might just watch the running between wickets here, guys.
The leg stump. Big shout again. Nah, that one's not out. Some magnificent hairstyles out there.
Absolutely loving his time. Slower. With some flight. Flight again. Jesse Ryder's pushing hard, but Cornwall not interested.
He's got a ribbon wrapped around his head. Wonder who he's a gift for.
And Cornwall thought he had a gift there, but once again, another mistimed shot.
Cornwall, he's built a bit of a reputation in regional.
Oh, there's that big one of them out. It has into the wind, long side of the boundary. That's why they were all out there. And Khan strikes it,
Blowing from left to right on this ground. And it's very difficult to clear the boundary through the leg side. They'll just check and it's a legal delivery. So he will have to go. Jesse Ryder, after he got a good start, couldn't quite carry on. He's gone for 80, it's 81 for 5.
Wonderful strike rate, 143. Cornwall watchful on this occasion, and all of a sudden, these overs are building nicely. 81 for 5. Darren Sammy now on strike. We've seen a bit of Shadab Khan during the Pakistan Super League. Taking on the arm of Benson.
Cornwall go.
Yeah, it was more through a lack of technique in turning between the wickets and just sheer intent to get up and down the wicket. He's flat batted that. Has he beaten the field? Yes, he has.